Yeah. So let us see CR equation in polar form. Correct? Yeah. Can somebody quickly tell me what is CR equation? If f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I times v of x comma y. What is CR equation? Ux is equal to vy and u. Perfect. Very nice. So this was in terms of partial derivative with respect to x and y, correct? And I want to change the whole thing with respect to r. That is, I want to substitute this z equal to e raised to I theta. Sorry, r into e raised to I theta. This is what I want to substitute. I want to see what is the changes. That means what? I want to substitute x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, and I want to see that. Correct? Okay. So now your u will be in terms of r and theta. Do you agree? Your function will be changed as f of z is equal to u of r theta plus I times v of r theta. Your function will be now changed to this. Now let us see. Yeah, you are aware of u of x. U of x is equal to v of y and u of y equal to minus v of x. So how will you differentiate that? Correct. Observe that your x is in terms of r cos theta, y is in terms of r sin theta. Okay. So let us see what is ur vr, what is u theta v theta. Correct. Either you can see ur vr u theta v theta, or you can do one more thing. You can just find ux in terms of r and theta. That is also acceptable. I'll tell you that. Do you remember chain rule? It is just basically we are going to use chain rule. That's it. That. Okay. Let me just tell you. So now my u is function of u of r and theta. Correct. So if I want to find partial derivative of u with respect to r, correct? Then what will this become? Uh, see, what will happen to this guy? Correct? What is your x? X is in r cos theta, correct? So can I relate this guy with ux and x? Can I write this as, try to remember, can I write this as du by dx into dx by dr? By using chain rule, can I do that? And same happen for the next coordinate. That is, next will be dou u by dou y multiply by dou y by dou r. Do you agree? By using chain rule, can I write this? Just think about it. See, since why this is possible, because u can be also written as in terms of x and y, so I am writing it as ux into derivative of x dr. X cancel, you can consider. So you'll observe that this is same as du by dr only. So in shortcut form, you may write this as ur ux. And what is x ka derivative with respect to r? What was my x? X is r cos theta, correct? So this will be just cos theta. Do you agree? Plus this will be uy, and y ka derivative with respect to r. Y was r sin theta. So again, if you do so you will get just sin theta. Correct? Is there any doubt here? So you may put this as equation 1. Correct? Can I similarly do for u theta? Similarly, can I say u theta is equal to something? Can you quickly tell me what will be that? It will be ux, and x ka derivative with respect to theta will be, what is your x? X is r cos theta. So derivative will be minus r sin theta, correct? Minus r sin theta. Nice. And what about this one? This will be uy, and here r cos theta, correct? Because sine का derivative is cos. So similarly, you are having ur, u theta मिल गया. So can I do likewise? Can you tell me vr and v theta quickly? वो भी सेम ही ऐसे ही रहेगा, just the variable change, correct? This will be vx cos theta plus vy sin theta. What else? We ये क्या आएगा? सेम थिंग ना, माइनस वी एक्स आर साइन थीटा प्लस वी वाई आर कॉस थीटा. परफेक्ट. ओके, व्हाट शुड आई डू नेक्स्ट? अभी तक हम लोगों ने मतलब करना क्या है अपने को? वी वांट टू फाइंड अ रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस. डू यू सी? सो अभी तक एक पार्ट यूज़ नहीं किया है. क्या यूज़ नहीं किया हम लोगों ने? वी हैवंट यूज सी आर इक्वेशन, करेक्ट? सो लेट अस यूज सी आर इक्वेशन. कहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे? ये देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, यू एक्स यू वाई यहाँ पे है, वी एक्स वी वाई वी एक्स वी वाई. Try to put CR equation, try to see is there any relation. What is CR equation? Ux is same as Vy and Uy is same as minus Vx. You can make everybody in terms of Ux and Uy, whatever you feel. See, Ux, this guy, I'll color this with different and you will see. This guy Ux, and do you see somewhere Vy? It is here, correct? So I can compare these two fellows. Yes, because ux is same as vy, and is there anywhere, and here also I am having vy, correct? And here I also am having ux. So this is first comparison. And what else? Uy is same as minus vx and vx. Try to compare and give a relation. You can write vr in terms of ex and ey. See, I'll just go and write. Can I write vr? What will be my vr? At the place of vx, what can I put? Minus uy. So vr will be minus uy cos theta plus what is vy, that is same as ux sin theta. Do you agree? And same happens with v theta. V theta will be क्या आएगा ये? Vx will be replaced with, this is minus Vx, so this will be replaced with uy. Uy r sin theta plus this will be ux r cos theta. Try to compare this guy, and here this guy. Try to see, is there any relation? Observe ux cos theta इसके पास है. Is there anywhere ux cos theta है किसी के पास? Do you see ux cos theta इसके पास है, तो मैं v थीटा का रिलेशन ur से कर सकता हूँ. r very nice. Perfect, very nice. That was very nice. That was very quick observation. R times ur, that is equal to v theta. And can you give for u theta? It is ux r sin theta, and yeah, ux r sin, it is in plus. Here it is minus. U theta is equal to, it is minus, no? Perfect, very nice. So can I write like this? R u r equal to v theta, and oh sorry, I think I cannot write here. Yeah, and what next? U theta is equal to minus rvr, na? Uh, so this is your CR equation in polar form. That's it. Yeah. Is the proof clear to you? Just go back and check. r u r equal to v theta, u theta is will be yeah minus r v r. So जैसा भी तुमको याद रखना हो you can remember this. Either you can remember u r equal to 1 upon r v theta and u theta and u theta is minus r v r, whatever you feel. Okay, so this is your CR equation in polar form. Yeah. Shall I go ahead? Yeah. So can I put the sufficient जो भी हम लोगों ने sufficient theorem दिया था, can I write it in terms of polar form now? जो भी हम लोगों ने sufficient theorem दिया था, that is let f of z is equal to, now I am having u of r theta plus I times v of r theta. So can I see this? Be defined throughout some epsilon neighborhood of a non-zero point z naught equal to r naught e raised to I theta naught. This is my point, and suppose that the first condition, what was first condition there? Each of the partial derivative must exist. So यहाँ पे भी वही रहेगा, the first order partial derivative of the function u and v with respect to r and theta exist everywhere in the neighborhood. Okay, this is the first condition. What is the second condition? Also, those partial derivative must be continuous. Are continuous at which point? At r naught and theta naught. Now I am having theta naught. Okay, and satisfy CR equation. What is CR equation? Now we are having r u r equal to v theta and minus r v r equal to u theta. ये अच्छा लग रहा है ना, u either v theta either u theta, so it is good to remember this. R u r equal to v theta minus r v r equal to u theta, correct? Then what is the conclusion? Derivative at that point exists and is given by f dash of z naught. क्या आएगा? You just need to see the relation. That means what पहले क्या था? It was ur and plus ivr. I hope you remember. So now you have to write ur in terms of u theta or v theta, whatever you feel, or u. No, ये पहले ux था ना, sorry, ux plus ivx था ना. Now you need to write, the case is that you need to write ux in terms of ur. That is what the main motto is. So can you do that? Can you write ux in terms of ur or v theta, whatever you feel? Everything can be done from these two equations. These two people. Do you see this seems to be a linear equation something? Ux, ux, uy, uy. So can you get the value of ux in terms of ur and v theta? Or whatever, if you want to take this and this, then also you can do same thing. So can you get the ux in terms of ur and u theta, vx in terms of vr and v theta? I'm talking about ux and ui. Why? Because I'm having the derivative का answer in terms of ux and rvx, correct? So that I give this to exercise to you, since that was just linear equation, so you could do that, and the answer will be just verify that you are getting this or not. Answer will be this: e raised to minus I theta. There will be cos theta and sin theta, then that's why this will be there, multiply by ur plus ivr. So this will be a derivative. In earlier it was ux plus ivx, here it is e raised to I theta ur plus ivr, that's it. Okay, so this sufficient theorem where right hand side कौन से point पे जाना चाहिए, r naught and theta naught. You need to understand, क्योंकि z naught पे अगर मैं consider कर रहा हूँ, this is always a problem, because once you are start writing shortcut, then it is difficult to write that point. So you need to understand, I am putting z naught here, so the value is evaluated at z naught. That's it. Okay. Yeah, shall we do some problem? Yeah, let us see whether. And one more thing, maybe from the next lecture, or I'll just after the lecture I'll tell you to do the practical. So from the next lecture we can start doing the problems of practical also. You'll see अपने को theory में ज़्यादा करना नहीं पड़ेगा, because वहाँ पे अगर solve करेंगे तो that will be easy for us to do. Okay, let me give some example. Okay, check whether f dash of z exists. Okay, the first question is f of z is equal to z minus z bar. This is the first one. I should have given the first one, most famous one first. uh, the first one is, say, f of z equal to z bar. The second one, let us say f of z is equal to z minus z bar. Third one is f of z is equal to 2x plus I x y square. Okay, yeah, that's enough. And yeah, if you want to late, we can take one more. F of z equal to e raised to x into e raised to minus iy. Okay, can you tell me something about the first one? F of z equal to z bar, correct? Whenever you see the differentiability, correct, what is necessary condition for me? What is necessary condition? Perfect, very nice. The necessary condition is, if it is differentiable, then it should be satisfy CR equation. That means अगर CR equation ही satisfy नहीं किया, तो I can conclude something. I can conclude that this is not differentiable. Agreed? So so whenever you see a function, the first step you should always do is check whether they are satisfying CR equation or not. So what is z bar? Z bar is x minus iy, correct? Conjugate. So what is u for me? U is x, and what is v for me? This is minus y. So what is ux? Uy, vx, vy. Quickly. What is ux? 1, uy is 0, vx is 0, vy is minus 1, no? So is it satisfying CR equation? And do you see this will never be same, because this is 1 and this is minus 1, correct? So पूरा करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, ये दोनों कर लिया, मतलब CR equation ही नहीं satisfy रहा है. Then what is the conclusion? At any point, do you agree? What is the conclusion? F dash does not exist. Yes. Can you similarly do for the second one? What is z minus z bar? What is z minus z bar? It will be, I think, just imaginary part, no? Z is x. हाँ, 2 iy, correct. So this will be 2 iy. Do you see ये satisfy करेगा क्या? इसमें u तुम्हारा 0 है and v is 2y. So this will also not satisfy. Do you agree? कहीं पे तो डेरिवेटिव विल बी 2 एंड देयर इट विल बी 0 ऑलवेज. u हमेशा 0 है. So this will derivative does not exist. Do you agree? Do you agree with this और सॉल्व करूँ मैं? Yeah. Let us do the third one. What is the function given? F of z is equal to uh, 2x plus I xy square. 2x plus I xy square. What is u for me? Is 2x and what is v for me? xy square. CR इक्वेशन के लिए पहले क्या चाहिए मेरे को? ux चाहिए. ux मतलब क्या आएगा? 2 and ux and vy चाहिए ना. So let us do vy क्या आ रहा है मेरा? 2xy. So both are not same. Do you agree? ux इक्वल टू वी आएगा एंड यू वाई निकालो. वो भी अगर चेक करना है तो, बिकॉज सिर्फ इससे मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि दिस इज़ नॉट एग्जिस्ट, बट आई कैन नॉट से इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एट एनी पॉइंट. Because what if my x into y that is 1, so ux is same as vy, so that is true. So I have to do the next part, that is what is ui. Ui will be 0 and what is vx. Vx is y square. Now do you see? Now do you see I can conclude that derivative does not exist at any point. That means CR equation is not satisfied at any point. Can I conclude that? Because if I want to say ux equal to vy, then I have to have xy is 1. X into y must be 1. Correct? But if I want to say uy equal to minus vx, I should have y equal to 0. So if I am having y equal to 0, then this is not satisfied. Correct? So there are no points such that both the condition are true. I hope you understand that. So implies f dash does not exist at any point. Okay. What about this guy? F of z equal to e raised to x into e raised to minus iy. What about this guy? Yes, again the same thing, na. You just need to make it for first of the form u plus iv में ना. तो इसको क्या करोगे तुम? Let us take e raised to x as it is. E raised to iy को क्या करोगे? Cos minus y, that is same as cos y, and minus I sin y. Do you agree? Now do you see what is u for me? U is e raised to x into cos y and v is minus of e raised to x into sin y, and check. And I'm sure that this will also not satisfy because this guy is same as e raised to I think z bar. Correct? And z कहीं पे भी अगर z bar देखा ना तो मोस्टली हमेशा प्रॉब्लम ही आता है. अभी तक तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं देखा मैंने कहीं पे ठीक हो, बट जहाँ पर भी z bar देखा तो you'll see that that function is not differentiable. Now I give this to you. Check whether they are satisfying CR equation or not. Okay? Yeah. Let us do one more problem. if f of z is equal to x cube plus I times 1 minus y the whole cube. Can you say something about this function? Whether it is differentiable, and if it is differentiable, then at which point it is differential? I give you 1 minute. Try to do that and tell me. Is it differentiable, and if it is differentiable, then at which point it is differentiable? You may use sufficient condition. First of all, you should do necessary condition, then you need to see whether it is sufficient for me. What is u? What is v? This is 1 minus y the whole cube. This is 1, huh? So what is ux or vy? Ux will be 3x 3x square, na? And what is vy? Vy will be 3 into 1 minus y into derivative of y, so it will be minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 minus y. Correct? हाँ, 1 minus 3 into 1 minus y, that's correct, yes. Okay. When do you think that ये दोनों सेम कब रहेंगे? I want to have ux equal to vy ना, तो ये सेम कब रहेंगे? Just try to put that 3x square is equal to minus 3 1 minus y the whole square. Try to solve this. 3 cancel, that means what? X square plus 1 minus y the whole square equal to 0. What can you say? ये दो स्क्वायर टर्म का एडिशन 0, that means what? Your x must be 0 and this guy 1 minus y must be 0. So y is equal to 1. So what is your z? Z is equal to I. Do you agree? So at z equal to I, this is satisfying ux equal to vy. But we have one more condition, that is uy and vx. What is ui? Ui is 0 0. Perfect. So can I say something? It is satisfying CR equation at which point? Z equal to I. And what is sufficient condition में first point क्या था? Each of the partial derivative must exist at that point and they must be continuous. So you can see this is this exists, this exists, this exists, this exists, and everybody is continuous. These are the polynomials only at z equal to I. So it is it exists also, it is continuous also, and it is satisfying CR equation. So all the three condition is satisfied for me. So what can I conclude? Exist at z equal to I. This is important, huh? At this point. So what will be the final answer? F of this, f dash of z will be ux plus I vx, correct? At z equal to I. That means what? Ux क्या है? 3x square plus I vx is 0. That's it. So 3x square at z equal to I. So what is the answer? Z equal यही रहेगा ना, z equal to I मतलब x won't be changed because I y का value I है. So answer is 3x square. Do you agree? Nice. Okay. Now I have already told you when you are given z equal to x plus iy, correct? Can you write x in terms of z and y in terms of z? Can you do that? Or if I give you some more hint, I want to write x in terms of z and z bar. Z is this, what is Z bar? It is x minus iy. So what will be my x? Real part क्या रहेगा? Perfect. And what about this? Do you agree? Agreed. Okay. Now let us do one thing. Let us do something which is quite nice. Suppose I am having a function. Suppose I am having f of xy. This is the function for me, and I want to find dou f by dou z bar. Okay, this is what I want to find. So, but I know this in terms of function is in terms of x and y. Can I use chain rule here also? That means what can I write like this? Dou f by dou x multiply by dou x by dou z bar. Chain rule always works for us. And here also dou f by dou y multiply by dou y by dou z bar. Can I do that? Yes. And can you tell me what is dou x by dou z bar? Here x is in terms of z bar ये है. So dou x by dou z bar क्या आएगा? And here also. Why z? Z is not in terms of z bar. So z is a constant for me. I just need to see z bar ना. Partial derivative का मतलब यही होता है ना. So it will be just 1 by 2. And what about this? Dy by dou z bar minus 1 upon 2i. Do you agree? Can I थोड़ा सा इसको सॉल्व कर सकता हो क्या लिटिल बिट? मल्टीप्लाई आई एंड आई ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो इट विल जस्ट गिव मी आई बाई 2. Agreed? Agreed or not? See, if I multiply both the side, then I square is minus 1. Minus 1 will get cancelled. So this is what. So can I substitute it here? Can I write this as 1 by 2 dou f by dou x plus I times dou f by dou y? Can I do that? Yes? Nice, no? Okay. Now what is the use of this? You will see there are some question in the GATE exam which is basically based on this. अगर ये टेक्निक नहीं पता होता